What is good, YouTube? You know, I'm back with another video.
It's
So.
what you back with another video. It's what to back. It's what to back. And what's good? What's poppin'? Where your camera at, bro?
I'm right. I'm recording. You're on the camera.
Where that though? Where that though?
See?
Where that though? Oh, how much that camera cost?
Probably, I don't know. But you know, we're back with another video. Shout out to.
How much that camera sounds he put on that game, you know? 47.
I have the check. I have the check.
50 subscribers. Almost 50 subscribers special. 50 subscribers special.
I'll tell you how much it costs after this video. I don't know exactly, but go subscribe to On That Game. We're trying to get to 100 subs for next month. Oh yeah. Everyone subscribe on here. Go to his channel. Smash that like button.
And how much that camera cost?
I have to tell you after this video. But I have to tell you after this video. But you know, we're gonna get started with this video. So we in this scary game. I don't even know what it's called. But you know, I don't have any camera audio. If my camera's lagging a little bit, I'm sorry.
Take it easy, man. That's a scary.
Alright, so we're just gonna start with the Ouija board. Oh crap. So Ouija board. Let's go.
Do you see that? Man, we used to run up in the stove. Yay.
Yeah, I was playing.
Hey, I'm gonna call you. Call me back when you're done with the video. I'm about to hurry up.
But anyway, let's just get into the video. Yeah, Lily. So I was playing with all last night. Look, are you sure that this thing is going to work? And there's a Ouija board right there. That's kind of creepy, guys. But anyway, let's just move on. These guys over here. Are you here? Oh, it worked. Yes. Okay. Can we see you? Oh my God. Yes, I am beside your bed. First of all, you ain't over here because you're a ghost. Alright, so look, this is insane. Hello, Lily. Good to see you, but we must leave now. Oh my gosh, Scooby. Where'd you go? Back to lobby. That was a pretty boring story. Let's just go somewhere. Are you sure we should be out in the woods just like, yeah, we'll be fine. Some pages, somewhere around here. Nope. Alright. But Dave, he might catch us. I just want to get one look at him, then we can leave. Is he anywhere? Oh, there's the next one. You can actually kill him. Okay. Dave, where did you go? Right there. Oh, Slenderman got him. This is not that much of a true story, but we're just gonna keep going. Alright. Killer Clown. Oh, this new TV is great. Can't believe I got it for free. No, you know, no, alright, you know, I'll take that. But you know, I can't. I think there's something wrong with it. What is that? Or sorry about that, guys. But we're on the scene. The creepy clown. Alright, now he's dead and we're gonna do a few more. Bloody Mary. Let's go. Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, blah, 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 blah. Did it work? I don't know. Oh, wait. Oh, Bloody Mary right there. I'm going to rip your eyes out. Oh, Bloody Mary, cut the doors off. You stole my baby, so I stole your eyes. Like, what? Hey, you kill me now? This is not that cool. It's like 3 things. And it's not that cool at all. You know, let's just do all of them. Just do these and then do that. Alright, try. Alright. Char, can we play? Yes. Char, am I safe? No. Ooh. Kind of with the no. Oh no, Charlie, can we stop? No. Ooh, got roasted. Oh no. What's gonna happen? Charlie, can we please stop? No. Do I see anything? Oh! Oh my god! I'm scared. I'm done playing this game. Something knock over? Something like usual? No. Oh no, it's not Charlie, let me leave. Help, I'm on fire! It would be funny if I said no, but could said having a longer story. Alright, now we gotta do one more and then we're gonna end this video. This wasn't as fun of a video as I expected. Oh, what's this? Allie's dog. Balance. Good night, Dolly. Where are you? I want to ask. She was playing with me and dropped me on my face. Damn. Sorry about that. Oh my god. That. No, no. So guys, that's just gonna end it. It was kind of a quick video, but we gotta end it. But yeah guys, hope you enjoyed. Peace out.